What happens when the most powerful office in the world meets the wild world of crypto? Donald Trump, now serving as the President of the United States, has launched the Trump coin, a meme-inspired cryptocurrency that skyrocketed to $30 billion in market cap overnight. Is this the start of a political crypto revolution or a risky game of speculation? Let's break down the rise of the Trump coin and why it's got everyone talking. On January 19, 2025, just 2 days before his inauguration, Donald Trump shocked both the political and financial worlds by announcing the launch of the Trump coin. The news broke on his platform, Truth Social, and his newly reactivated Twitter account, now referred to as X. Officially branded as the People's Meme Coin, Trump described it as a groundbreaking step to put America at the forefront of financial innovation. Skepticism was widespread at first. Many wondered if the announcement was genuine or just a publicity stunt. Some even speculated that Trump's accounts might have been hacked. However, the skepticism didn't last long. Confirmation came swiftly from Trump's official channels and trusted sources. Investors, supporters, and crypto enthusiasts quickly rallied around the coin, driven by FOMO, fear of missing out. The launch was strategic, coming at a time when global attention was on the transition of power. Trump's team paired the announcement with promises of transparency and accessibility, marketing the coin as a symbol of economic empowerment. One early investor remarked on Reddit, "It's not just a meme coin, it's a statement that crypto is here to stay, and America is leading the charge." By design, Trump coin's exclusivity added to its appeal. Only 20% of the coin's supply was initially released, creating scarcity and driving demand. The rest remains in wallets reportedly tied to Trump-affiliated entities, raising both intrigue and concerns over control. As Trump himself said during the announcement, "This coin is for the people, by the people, and it's going to make America's financial future brighter than ever." Whether you see it as a revolutionary move or a polarizing gamble, Trump coin has already secured its place as one of the most talked about events in modern finance. The launch of the Trump coin was nothing short of explosive. Starting at virtually zero, its market cap soared to a jaw-dropping $30 billion overnight. For some early investors, this meant unimaginable returns. One Reddit user claimed that a $5,000 investment turned into $6 million within hours, creating what many now call instant generational wealth. But this wasn't just luck. Trump's team employed a calculated strategy to drive demand. By releasing only 20% of the coin's total supply at launch, they created scarcity, making each token highly sought after. The remaining 80%, reportedly held in wallets linked to Trump-affiliated entities, added an air of exclusivity, but also raised concerns about potential manipulation. Market excitement was fueled by Trump's own words. "This is not just a meme coin, it's a movement to put America first in the digital economy," he stated on Truth Social. Supporters saw the coin as a revolutionary step, while critics questioned whether its centralization gave too much power to Trump-affiliated entities. The launch also happened during a relatively quiet weekend in the market, which some believe was strategic. With fewer institutional players active, retail investors dominated the scene, amplifying the coin's rapid growth. "Timing is everything in crypto, and this coin nailed it," said one crypto strategist. Despite the controversies, Trump coin managed to dominate headlines and attract investors in droves. It's being hailed as a masterclass in leveraging political influence to disrupt the financial world. Whether it's a groundbreaking innovation or a ticking time bomb remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Trump coin has already left its mark on the cryptocurrency market. Trump coin isn't just another meme token, it's a perfect storm of political influence and calculated timing. Unlike Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, which relies solely on community-driven hype, Trump coin is backed by the clout of a sitting US president. Built on the Solana blockchain, it breaks away from the traditional Ethereum-based ecosystem, favoring faster transactions and lower fees. This decision not only highlighted Solana's capabilities, but also gave its ecosystem a noticeable boost, with projects like Radium and Jupiter experiencing significant growth. The timing of the launch was no accident. It coincided with the last working day of Gary Gensler's tenure as SEC chairman, a symbolic moment that Trump supporters celebrated as the end of the anti-crypto era. Critics, however, accused Trump of exploiting market sentiment, launching the coin over a weekend when institutional traders were largely inactive, allowing retail investors to drive the frenzy. The coin's political ties also make it unique. Trump himself described it as a bold step to show the world that America can lead the financial revolution. While many supporters rallied behind this sentiment, skeptics pointed out the risks of centralization, as 80% of the coin's supply is reportedly controlled by Trump-linked wallets. A leading crypto strategist weighed in, saying, "This launch isn't just about technology. It's about reshaping the narrative around crypto adoption in America." Whether hailed as a masterstroke or criticized as opportunistic, Trump coin has undoubtedly changed the landscape of meme tokens, making it a financial experiment with global implications. Trump coin has not escaped scrutiny, with critics raising tough questions about its ethical implications. Can a sitting US president ethically launch a cryptocurrency? The overlap between public office and private financial ventures has sparked debates about conflicts of interest, with some accusing Trump of using his political influence to fuel personal profit. Adding to the controversy is the coin's centralization. Reports reveal that 80% of the Trump coin supply is controlled by wallets linked to Trump-affiliated entities. While this exclusivity has added to its allure, it has also led to accusations of potential market manipulation. Critics argue that such control gives Trump and his allies disproportionate power over the coin's future. The coin's volatility has also drawn attention. Starting at virtually zero, it surged to $75 before dropping to $38 within days. Some analysts have labeled it a pump-and-dump scheme, suggesting the coin's rapid rise and fall may leave many retail investors with losses. This is the risk of hype-driven assets. They rise fast, but the fall can be just as dramatic, noted one financial commentator. However, Trump defended the project, stating, "This is more than just a coin. It's a movement to redefine America's role in the financial revolution." Supporters argue it reflects Trump's vision for economic empowerment, while skeptics worry it sets a dangerous precedent. Adding to the complexity is the timing of the launch, just days before Trump's inauguration, which some view as a calculated move to capture market attention. As debates rage, Trump coin remains a symbol of innovation for some and a warning for others. Time will tell if it's remembered as a strategic masterstroke or a costly gamble. Before we continue, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps us create even better content and reach a wider audience. Let's proceed. The launch of the Trump coin sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market, reshaping its dynamics almost overnight. Its introduction siphoned liquidity away from other popular meme coins like Dogecoin and Pepe, leading to significant price drops in these assets. Meanwhile, Solana, the blockchain chosen for the Trump coin, emerged as a clear winner, breaking 24-hour trading volume records and nearing its all-time high. This sudden shift highlighted the power of political influence in driving market trends. Elon Musk, known for his outspoken views on crypto, captured the moment with his cheeky tweet, "Memes are the new policy." His comment underscored the growing cultural impact of meme coins, but also raised questions about the market's reliance on hype-driven assets. The timing of the Trump coin's launch further magnified its impact. Released during a relatively quiet weekend, with institutional investors largely absent, it dominated the retail trading landscape. This strategic move amplified its rapid rise, but also fueled concerns about potential manipulation and long-term sustainability. The launch has reignited debates about crypto regulation in the United States. Some see it as a step toward mainstream adoption, with Trump stating, "This coin represents freedom and financial empowerment for the American people." Others, however, view it as a potential red flag, pointing to the risks of volatility and lack of oversight in the current crypto landscape. For the broader market, Trump coin is both a disruptor and a cautionary tale. While it highlights the influence of political and cultural forces on cryptocurrency, it also raises critical questions about the future of digital assets. Will it lead to broader acceptance or expose the fragility of hype-driven markets? Time will tell. Investing in a Trump coin presents both exciting opportunities and significant risks. Its rapid rise to a $30 billion market cap turned early investors into millionaires overnight. However, the same volatility that drove its value up also caused substantial losses for others, as the price dropped sharply in the following days. For those considering investing, it's essential to approach with caution. Meme coins like Trump are highly speculative, with prices often driven by hype and sentiment rather than fundamental value. As one market analyst put it, meme coins can be gold mines for some and financial traps for others. Timing is everything. Trump himself has framed the coin as a beacon of empowerment, stating, "Trump coin is about giving Americans a stake in the digital future." While supporters see this as a call to action, critics warn against the risks tied to centralization, as 80% of the coin's supply is controlled by Trump-affiliated wallets. This creates potential concerns about price manipulation or sudden sell-offs. The coin's volatility also underscores the importance of timing. Latecomers to the market may find themselves buying during peaks, risking significant losses if prices fall. To navigate the risks, prospective investors should conduct thorough research, diversify their portfolios, and only invest what they can afford to lose. Additionally, understanding the external factors influencing the Trump coin is crucial. Political developments, market sentiment, and even regulatory changes could dramatically affect its value. Consulting financial advisors and keeping an eye on market trends can help investors make informed decisions in this unpredictable space. While the Trump coin offers potential rewards, it also serves as a reminder of the volatile and speculative nature of meme coins. The future of the Trump coin is as unpredictable as its rapid rise. Having already blended politics and cryptocurrency in unprecedented ways, it's now the center of a broader conversation about the intersection of leadership and digital finance. Some see the Trump coin as a trailblazer, predicting that other global leaders might follow suit with their own tokens. Donald Trump himself has expressed confidence in its potential, stating, "This coin isn't just about me. It's about empowering the people and putting America at the forefront of innovation." Supporters echo this sentiment, arguing that the Trump coin represents a bold step toward making cryptocurrency more accessible and mainstream. However, skeptics caution that the Trump coin could become a cautionary tale. With 80% of its supply controlled by Trump-affiliated wallets and its value largely driven by hype, many fear it might eventually collapse under the weight of unchecked speculation. A prominent financial strategist remarked, "If the Trump coin thrives, it could legitimize politically backed cryptocurrencies. But if it falters, it may fuel calls for stricter regulation." In addition to market risks, regulatory scrutiny looms large. As governments worldwide grapple with how to oversee cryptocurrencies, Trump coin's high-profile nature could either inspire more adoption or spark tighter restrictions. The coin's longevity will also depend on whether it can maintain public interest and deliver practical utility beyond its initial hype. For now, Trump coin has etched its place in history, leaving the world wondering if it marks the beginning of a new era or a risky experiment destined to unravel. Whether it's remembered as a masterstroke of innovation or a symbol of speculative excess, its impact on the crypto landscape is undeniable. Is the Trump coin a bold innovation or a risky gamble? That's up to you to decide. It's reshaping the crypto conversation, blending politics, finance, and technology like never before. But with its volatility and ethical concerns, caution is essential. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more insights into finance, crypto, and investments. Let us know your thoughts on the Trump coin in the comments below. Are you investing or staying away? And don't miss our next video, US Debt Crisis, Janet Yellen's last warning to Congress. For more critical financial insights, see you next time.